hand sparking that light. Dr. Laxley, our guide, with tales to tell, unearthing secrets. Wake up to the morning, fresh page, fresh sight.
Greetings, friends of the A Collision with Purpose movement. Welcome to Daily Insights, the home of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic came to me through a conversation with my friend Romaine McNeil. I want to talk to you about a reality many of us face at different stages of our lives, a state I call survival mode. More importantly, today I want to discuss not just surviving, but how to thrive in this state. What do I mean by survival mode? It is those times when everything feels overwhelming. Each day is about making it through to the next, and your dreams are on indefinite hold. I remember a time when I was in this mode, struggling to balance work and personal life, feeling like I was just surviving. But I didn't let it define me. I found a way to grow, to adapt, and to thrive. Now I ask you to think about the last time you found yourself in survival mode. What was it like? Was it merely about getting by, or did you find a way to grow, a way to thrive? It is easy to think of survival mode as a barren season where the sole goal is to endure. But what if I tell you that these periods of our lives, these struggles, are not just obstacles, but can also be a source for opportunities? Yes, opportunities, chances to rise, reshape, and redefine who we are. Think about the emotions you felt during your last survival mode, the fear, the uncertainty, the hopelessness. Now, imagine if you could turn those emotions into fuel for your growth. How powerful would that be? Consider the story of the lotus flower, which blooms beautifully from the most profound and thickest mud. Each of us has the potential to be like the lotus. Do we see the mud as a part of our growth, or do we let it suffocate our potential? Picture yourself as that lotus rising above the mud, blooming in all your glory. Can you see it? Survival mode often triggers our basic instincts: fight, flight, or freeze. But a fourth response, not frequently discussed, is the ability to forge ahead in the face of adversity, to mold our future with the clay we're given, no matter how tough or unyielding it might seem. Forging ahead is not just a survival strategy, it is a tool that empowers us to shape our own destiny. But you might ask, how do we do this? First, we must accept where we are. Acknowledgement is powerful and the first step towards transformation. How many of you have felt relief just by recognizing and owning your reality rather than denying it? Second, by adapting. Life doesn't always go according to plan. Plans change, but our goals don't have to. What is one goal you have held on to even in tough times? How did adapting help you move closer to that goal, even if the steps were small? Third, by seeking growth. Every challenge, discomfort, and uncertainty can teach us something vital about ourselves and the world around us. What is one lesson you have learned from a challenging time in your life? Have you discovered a strength you didn't know you had? Have you learned to appreciate the small things in life? I want you to reflect on these questions and see what insights you can gain. Finally, by reaching out. Survival mode can be isolating, but it doesn't have to be. How often do we reach out for support, not just to get help, but to connect and learn from the survival stories of others? We all have our stories, our struggles, and our triumphs. By sharing them, we can inspire and learn from each other. Let us redefine the narrative around survival mode. Let us not just get through it. Let us grow through it. Let us not just endure. Let us thrive. Because survival isn't the end of the story, it is often the start of a great transformation. Will you let this be the start of yours? I challenge each and every one of you to take a step today to start your transformation. Will you accept this challenge? Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.